देता है अपनी अचीवमेंट्स का, अपने प्रोग्रेस का और अपनी वीएमसीटी फैमिली का।
Absolutely. From stellar academic performances to extraordinary talent in extracurriculars, VMCT has become a shining example of excellence. और इस सफर के पीछे एक strong leader का विजन है जो हमें हमेशा इंस्पायर करता है।
शिक्षा का दीप जलाया जिसने,
अज्ञान का अंधकार मिटा दिया,
हर दिल को रोशन किया
और हर सपने को नया आसमान दिया, नया आसमान दिया।
Yes, and now it's time to hear from the person who has been guiding the light behind every milestone we have achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming our respected principal sir, Abhilash sir, to present the annual school report in front of you.
Distinguished President of today's occasion, other trust members, representative of media, and all the well-wishers of the school. The pleasure is the school of the academic year 2024-25. School strength and staff particulars. The school is affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education and has a strength of 481 students from nursery to class 10th and 32 teachers. The teacher-student ratio 1:16 enables us to maintain the strength in each class to a comfortable number so that we can pay exclusive attention to every student. Every effort is taken to tap the potential of our students to extremeness both in academic and as well as other activities. Mahavir English School offers a unique spectrum of curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities to the students. Academic achievements. As in all the immemorial 7 years in the All India Secondary School Examination and 4 years in the Maharashtra State Government Class 10th Board Examination, we have secured 100% success, mostly with the distinction. Out of the 30 students appeared for the AISSE 2024, 16 students, that is 50%, got a distinction and all the others got to first class. Among them, our student Shubhankar Daitode won Beed District 2nd rank and received award from Beed Sahodya Complex. This has been facilitated on account of the tremendous effort put forth by pupils, teachers and management. In this academic year, we have already trained 25 students to face the AISSE. The training offered by our teachers and enthusiasm and effort shown by our students have enabled us to win a number of prizes in the inter-school levels. For example, 2 of our students, Grisha Bandari of class 9 and Yash Chavan of class 6, were won the district level World Wild Wisdom Quiz 2024 conducted by UNESCO and represented Beed district at Maharashtra state level competition held at Mumbai. Apart from the traditional academic examinations, we have conducted some of the competitive examinations also. Olympiad examinations are one among those. We have arranged Olympiad examinations in English, mathematics, social studies, science, Hindi, general knowledge, conducted by International Science Olympiad Foundation Delhi to make our students capable to face the competitive world ahead. Co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are an integral part of school life, providing students with opportunity to develop their skills, talents, personalities beyond the confines of the classroom. We have different clubs as per the direction of CBSE to have the co-curricular activities. Those are Eco Club, Heritage Club, Literature Club, Mathematics Club and Fine Arts Club. Under these clubs, we have conducted Vanamahotsav Festival, which included rainwater harvesting, tree plantation drive, cleaning the nearby forest, etc. Reading Week celebration, which included writer interaction, book review and book donation campaigns, different types of writing and reading competitions, visiting of public library, Gram Panchayat, Block Panchayat, etc. Extracurricular activities. Having set excellent standards on the academic front, we hope to perform as well in the extracurricular activities. To develop team spirit, leadership qualities among our students and to nurture their creative talents, number of cultural, literary, games and sports activities are being organized regularly. These opportunities provide our students with a venue to hone their skill in various fields. To add a thirst to all-around growth, we continue to offer inter-house activities in our school. Our students are divided into 4 houses, namely Mighty Warriors, Falcon Fighters, Rumbling Jaggers, and Fairy Knights. Intra and inter-house competitions are conducted regularly for the overall development of our students. Based on the performance of the students in the above said competitions, they get opportunities to participate in the inter-house, district, Sahodaya complex and CBSE cluster level competitions. In the district level basketball competition, our under 14 boys team consists of Dhruv Srikanth Maghar, Yash Chetan Bora, Yash Vinayak Pokle, Divya Santosh Pokle, Shivam B. Mandure, Arnav Mahesh Daitode, Manav Babu Rendive, Viraj Ravinder Chakale, Omgar Shivaji Wak, Vedant Sanjay Desai, and Emmanuel Abhilash Kudiyat bagged the second prize. Our under 17 basketball girls team consists of Shivneri Desai, Poonam Pokle, Arya Khedkar, Anushka Mahadik, Disha Gandhi, Arya Chowdhury, Netra Rathod, Alia Saeed, and Shruti Santosh Gursale bagged the second prize in the district level competition. Our under 17 girls football team consists of Disha Gandhi, Shivneri Desai, Shravani Torve, Gauri Kulkarni, Poonam Pokle, Arshia Beek, Advaita Bandare, Anishka Beesan, Rajanandini Jadhav, Arya Khedkar, Anushka Mahadik, Jahnavi Kilare, Ishwari Andure, Arya Chowdhury, Akshara Gandhi, Ishwari Shelke, and Grisha Bandari bagged the second prize in B district level competition. Our 4x400 meter relay team consists of Rohit Basab Kale, Rudra Uddhav Vidate, Pujit Kotari, Akshat Andure, and Aditya Kade won the gold medal in the district level competition. In B district level chess championship, we have bagged 2 gold medals in girls competition. Our under 14 girls chess champion Kumari Anushka Gaje and under 17 girls champion Samiksha Itape won the first prize in district level. In the roller skating competition of Aurangabad division level, in the line competition, first prize was won by our 10th class student Aryan Munot, and quarter level under 19 was won by our 9th class student Tanish Mayer. In the Aurangabad division level taekwondo competition, our 9th class student Arya Ajay Chowdhury won the second prize. In the same division level 400 meter running race, our class 9th student Aditya Khade won the bronze medal. In the national coloring competition and handwriting competition 2024 conducted by Student Development Society Aurangabad, Vedika Prahlad first class, Anvi Sachin Wagule second class, Agamya Tripathi third class, Shravani Shelke 6th class, Bharat Raut 8th class received Kala Gaurav Award 2024, and Ayush Preetesh Kaswa 6th class and Shivneri Desai 10th class received Kala Bhushan Award in 2024. In addition to these, we have the facility to train our students in art and music in regular basis. Understanding the unique place in libraries in the present educational setup, we have equipped our library with a wide variety of reference books and also other reading books and periodicals. In par with the CBSE guidelines and modern trends, the school has facilitated a well-equipped science lab, giving due weightage to the 3 branches, physics, chemistry, and biology. To promote computer literacy, the school has a fully fledged computer lab with 30 computers. As per the instructions of Central Board of Secondary Education, we have established a math lab also in our school. Professional Development Program. As per the instruction of NEP 2020 and NCRT, our teachers have completed the 50 hours teachers training program from COE, CBSE from different venues. We ourselves have conducted in-service training for our teachers on the topics of art integration in education, NEP 2020, and learning outcomes and pedagogies in our school in collaboration with the COE CBSE Pune and Advaita Skill Hub Vijayawada. 14 teachers of our school are going to participate the TOT Training of Trainees program, which will be conducted on 10th and 11th of January at Bede by CBSE. Awards and recognitions. Our school was recognized and selected from the Pune region of CBSE to participate in the National Adolescent Summit conducted at New Delhi and become one among the selected 300 schools all over the world affiliated with the CBSE. 4 of our students from class 9, Grisha Bandari, Advaita Bandare, Akshara Chanodia and Sakshi Doble participated in the summit with their class teacher Mr. Neeraj Tripathi and appreciated by CBSE headquarters for their active participation. Our academic coordinator Ms. Afshan Sheikh received the Best Teacher Award of B District by CBSE Sahodaya Complex. Mrs. Kalyani Bale and Mrs. Nikita Patwa were received the Foundation Builder Award by CBSE for their outstanding contributions to make the foundation of education to the children of classes nursery to 2nd class. Our art teacher Mr. Gade Pandurank and our physics teacher Mr. Ahmad Khan Pattan received Ideal Teacher Award 2024 from Student Development Society, Aurangabad. Our principal Mr. Abhilash Kudiyat received the Transforming Leadership Award from the Ministry of Cooperative Affairs, Government of India. It is only in the fitness of things to make a mention here that all good work of the school has been possible only with the cooperation of highly motivated group of teachers, and I thank them profusely for their dedication and a sense of responsibilities. My thanks are due in no small measure to the management committee of our school for their able guidance, support and inspiration in our all endeavors. My word to my loving children, dedicated teachers and affectionate parents are, all persons are gifted with opportunities equally. Those who work tirelessly reach their goals completely. I wish you all a very meaningful and eventful new year ahead. I submit this report for approval.